public services and public happening online, so I think it's a valid question. And I have to say that many of my constituents have had enough of the empty promises that they've received in the past from people such as Beachy, Openreach as they are now. Villages like Ysbyty Ifan, to all intents and purposes, have been misled by a company that clearly is more interested in protecting the interest of its shareholders than in providing services to the communities that they are supposed to serve. And worse than that, the Welsh Government even has given some false promises to constituents with copies of letters that I've seen dating back to November 2015, promising resolutions in this area. One of them, you in a previous role as Minister for Skills and Technology from over 2 years ago. So when will these rural communities, such as Ysbyty Ifan, at last be receiving the services that they deserve, rather than the empty promises that they have had over the last few years?
Sorry that the member feels that they were empty promises. We do go out of a way to say that the dates mentioned in the letters are scheduled and not promised connection dates. But I've said many times in this chamber that I share his frustration and the frustration of those who were scheduled in the programme and then who, for whatever complicated reason, fell out at the end. The Superfast 2 programme will very much be trying to address people who were inside the Superfast 1 programme and for whatever reason fell out of it. I cannot promise that they will all be addressed. There are some complicated issues there. Many people in Wales are stuck behind way leave issues, for example. I think we have 10,000 premises stuck behind way leaves at the moment, and unfortunately, because it's not considered to be a utility, the Welsh Government and the contractors that the Welsh Government procures have no right to cross land. If a landowner refuses access to land, we have no way of making them give us that access. And that's just one example of many that there are across Wales. But I do share the member's frustration. I'm going out to very many communities in Wales talking about whether a community solution is possible for villages such as the one you just mentioned, and whether we can do one of our bespoke solutions for a group of people who are geographically proximate, or whether some other solution might be best. And I'm going down to Ceredigion next week, I think.
Yes, Thursday.
Yeah.
4 o'clock. Llanina Arms.
Looking forward to it already.